This is Chris with Spray Smarter. Today we are going to show you a quick video on how to download software from Raven's website and use it to update the Raven CR7. There could be a couple reasons for software updates, but I recommend doing this as a general maintenance at startup before your spray season. You will need a good quality flash drive, access to the internet on your PC. You will go to portal.ravenprecision.com. You will select Documentations and Software. From there you'll hit the drop down arrow for Field Computers and select your CR7, and then it's going to bring you into your menus for your options. You will select CR7 software, and it may list several different softwares here depending on what issues they may be working on or enhancing. One thing that you can look at is the release notes. If you're having some issues with your CR7, it might be listed in here as far as resolved effects or enhancements. You'll want to click the CR7 version of software you're wanting to put on your flash drive, and it will download as a zipped file. You will want to keep that as a zipped file. And then on your flash drive, you will have to format your flash drive so that the CR7 will see your software. You will need to have a folder that says Raven, just like it is here. Inside that folder, you will have a folder called Updates, just exactly like it is here. And then inside of that, that's where you will put your zipped file for your CR7 software update. Okay, after installing your flash drive into the back of your CR7 and the USB port, you will want to power on your CR7 and go over in the menu page, one page to the left, and you're going to press on Software Update. And at this point you can check your software and see what version you have on your machine by clicking About. And the first line is your actual software version you have. And then when you go back to update, you're going to see your flash drive has loaded the 222.1.0.92, which is what they're recommending today. Now that changes, and then you'll simply click the install button, and then it'll restart when completed.